Hey guys, welcome to this video. Excited to be here with you today because now I will show you one specific tool that I use to grow my followers automatically from 64 followers to more than 1,500 followers on this account that I'm using for testing. So here we are. You see the current followers I have is, let me see, here we are on the main account. 1,588 followers right now, and 3.5 months ago I had 64 followers. I'll show you exactly how I did it. I use a software for that called Jooicer. I contact Jooicer and they gave me a special link for the students of this course so you can get a free trial. This is an affiliate link, so in the future I may get a commission if you end up paying. I mean, I want to be 100% honest with you on this, okay? But you can feel free to go to jooicer.com if you want, straight to their website. This is the link, diegodavila.com/Jooicer with 2 O's. Here we are on the website. Let me resize my browser here. Excellent. Here we are on the website of the tool, and you can see here, I'll show you how easy it is to use. It's not a free tool. You can use it for 5 days, 100% free, to test it and see if you like it. After that, I think they charge you $9 a month for the basic plan. So you click on start free trial, enter your name, your email address, your password, and all the information. When you are ready with this, you will be forward to this screen. This is the main screen of the software, and I'll show you here exactly what I did to get these many followers automatically. You see here in the last 30 days, I gained 310 followers, new followers actually. And if we go here, unfortunately, the software doesn't show more statistics for more than 30 days right now. Maybe when you sign up, you will see the option to look back at the statistics. So basically, this is how it works. Everything happens on the model settings. So if we come here to the model settings, you see here that they have the basic models and they have the premium models. So all these models are available to you right now. My suggestion is to use the models that are only necessary to start. And you see the models that I have on the follow the follower, private message, new follower, follow users by keyword in bio, follow users by keyword in tweet, list of hashtag tweets, clean follow-up, favorite cleanup, and daily limit. So let me show you each one of these very quick to see, so you have an idea of how the software works. The first model is follow the follower. So basically, I set up here 5 accounts, 5 Twitter accounts. You can set up any account. If you have your Twitter in other language, you can choose in here. So choose 5 accounts, and basically the system will go to each of these accounts and will start following key followers, key members for these audiences. So it will go to the Udemy list of the Udemy followers and will follow automatically specific key people that are used to follow you back. So the chances for these people to follow you back, and you see here that this actually works because it's growing very, very fast. You define here the Twitter handle of the account and the system will do this automatically. You save and that's it. Let's go to the next one here. The next one is private message new follower. So basically, every time you have a new follower, the system will send them a message automatically. And this is powerful because here in this first message, as you can see on this example, you can add all your specific social media. You can add your website, you can add your landing page link, you can add anything that you want on here. So this is powerful. So I am using here, you see the variables, you can use name, first name. So I have the first name of the person. So let's say John joined to my Twitter followers. So it will say, John, thank you so much for following me on Twitter. I look back forward to connecting with you. You can find me on my blog, this is my website, on my Facebook, and on my YouTube channel. Okay? Please message me back so we can support each other. Have an amazing day. So this is just an example message that I'm using right now for my marketing. You can add anything that you want here. And this is powerful because you are also driving people. When they start following you on Twitter, you are immediately sending them an automatic message saying, hey, follow me. These are all my social media, so they can visit your website and follow you on all of your social medias. So that's great. So the next one is this, the premium model. The first one, we have follow users by keyword in bio. Here we will define some keywords, and the system, you see here my keywords: entrepreneur, student, instructor, online course, and store. These are my keywords, and the system will automatically start following people that have these keywords inside their profile. So if they are entrepreneurs, if they have their own company, if they are students, if they are instructors, online course on their profile, all these keywords will trigger the system, and the system will start following these people in the hope that they will follow me back. Okay. The second is follow users by keyword in tweet. So when anyone on Twitter create a tweet with specific keywords, these are the keywords, the system will follow also these guys, these persons. Because if they use specific keywords that I use, that means that they probably will be interested on my product. If I teach, for example, digital marketing, and they are posting about digital marketing, they are interested on that. Probably they will be interested on taking my courses or my services. The next one that I use is list by hashtag in tweet. Let's take a look on this. We will create a list of entrepreneurs, and this is the name of the list. In this case, I use the name top entrepreneurs, and I have the keywords here. Basically, you see here, the system will create a list of up to 5,000 members from Twitter that actually are using these keywords in their tweets, in their profile. And that's great, because when you add people to a list, you are calling their attention, and they will probably add you on another list, or they will start following you on Twitter. This is how the system works here. Let's go back to the models. The next one I use is for clean it up. You have also list by keywords on bio. You can create the same list for people that have specific keywords on their description, on their bio. List by user follower. This is the one we use, and favorite tweets. So you have all these tools to use. The cleanup tool that I am using, one is this, follow cleanup. So you see that the system will unfollow users followed by us who didn't follow you back. So you see that the system will automatically follow users that have specific keywords. If this user don't follow you back, the system, this model will clean that up. So it will unfollow that user after a few days. You see here, after 5 days in this case. And by doing that, you have always a clean system. The next one is favorite cleanup. Let's see here. We unfavorite tweets favorite by us. We wait 10 days before unfavorite. So basically they favorite some tweets, they like the tweets, and after 10 days they unlike. The goal of the software here is to call the attention of other influencers, of other people on Twitter, so they will start following you back. This is how it works. I hope you like it. If you are interested, go to diegodavila.com/Jooicer, and you will have the chance to sign for this specific software if you want. If you have any questions, send me your questions. I'll try to reply. They have a great support here. Here's the chat, and they are very responsive. They usually respond in a few minutes, sometimes up to an hour. If you have any question, any doubts, I really like this software. I just want to share with you. It's another tool that you have in order to grow your Twitter automatically. See you in the next video.